Managing curly hair isn't that hard. All you need to learn is some new habits and leave some habits that are bad for your hair. Here is a dozen do's and don'ts for curly hair. Conditioning. Curly hair tend to be dry, so make sure you use plenty of conditioners. Interestingly, even when curly hair tend to be dry, your scalp is quite oily. If you condition your hair often, your hair will be soft and tangle-free. Learn to detangle. Since curly hair is prone to tangle easily, so first you need to learn how to detangle. Detangle your hair from the ends towards the roots of the hair. Remove the knots gently. Find the right products. When your hair is concerned, use products that work best for your hair. Find what works for you. Use a wide tooth comb. The best thing you can do to your curly hair is using a wide tooth comb. It will help in detangling your hair without breaking. Apply products to wet hair. Be sure you apply the products right when you finish your shower. This will prevent frizz and lock moisture into your hair. Avoid brushing your hair when dry. Don't brush your hair when it's dry because that will make your hair frizzy. Avoid straightening your hair regularly. Do not straighten your hair regularly. Remember, you're beautiful the way that you are. Styling and straightening your hair will make your hair weak and dull. If you really need to straighten your hair, use a hair protectant spray to protect it from the heat. Avoid using regular towels. Rubbing your hair with a regular towel will create the kind of friction that gets hair frizzy. Use a soft t-shirt or a microfiber towel instead and don't rub your hair, just squeeze it. Some points to remember. Don't overwash your hair. Your hair has natural oils that give hair natural shine and elasticity. Overwash will make your hair look dull. Don't use a lot of shampoos. When it's time to wash, use a small amount of curl shampoo. Gently massage the scalp and hair gently, then rinse. Do use a conditioner. Conditioning while a quarter size amount of curl conditioner and apply it from tip to root. Use your fingers or a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair before you rinse out conditioner. In order to make your hair look smooth, apply hair masks. Don't blow dry on full blast. You can't be harsh on your beautiful curls. Use a little curl gel cream to dry hair to add smoothness and shine.
अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो tenteran.com के YouTube चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।